Welcome to the front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off slow charging mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to battery and device care section. After that, let's click here to the battery and tap here to more battery settings. Then we can see here the fast charging switcher, it's activated. And now if you want to turn on the slow charging, you should turn off the fast charging. So just to do that, we should click on the switcher. And if you want to turn off the slow charging mode again, you should activate the fast charging. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.